Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what's in the tier 2 pet shop area on Grey Garden. Like what you can get by giving food to Raphael to level up your friendship with him. So if you select a food and give it to him like just every other NPC, I'm just going to then select show me the egg shop. And then if you look at tier 2, there's 2 items. There's not actually new eggs or stuff, but there's a pet name re-roller. It picks a new random name for your pet and a pet lead. Make a pet follow you for 10 seconds. It's not in stock right now, but as you can see, there's this one. For instance, you want to change the name of your pet. What's my pet's name? Bella. I like that. Let's change. I don't like Ollie. That's horrible. Let's change that name. I'm sorry if your name is Ollie, by the way. I don't mean no harm. Let's see. Pet re-roller. Okay, pet name re-roller. It's very hard for me to say that. Where are you, Glimmering Sprite? I need to change my garden, but I just did. So I can't do that. Hello? You know what? I'll just see whichever pet comes out first. Okay, actually, let me see if I can change it. Okay, I can. It's a little bit easier for me to see on this garden. Okay. What? I don't want... Jaya? Jayo? How do I pronounce that? I think that's better than Ollie, but... yeah, that's pretty much it. You just take it out and then you press your pet. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can rename your pet. Unfortunately, you can't actually rename it. It's just re-rolling the names that the game has already for pets. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.